welcome to the Minecraft family channel. Today I have an unboxing and an unbagging. The one on the top in the black bag is a diamond painting from Chimney Arts, and the one below is a cross stitch that I also bought off AliExpress, and I'm pretty impressed with the cross stitch because I ordered that on the 20th of April, and it was here the 2nd May, so that's pretty good. 12 days. But let's see. As usually, when Chimney Arts arrived at my doorsteps, they come like this. Really squished. So let's see if we can unsqueeze it. This is the painting that I bought. It was one of the paintings that I wanted to use for the giveaway, but it has been almost 2 months to come. So the giveaway is long gone, and the winner has been drawn. So yeah. Let's just try and unbag it or unbox it and see what's inside of it, and see what the paintings looks like. I was hoping that this one would have some special drills or anything in it. It doesn't say on the side, but with the diamond that the lion is wearing and so on, it could have special drills. So let's just see. So here we have the canvas. Thank goodness it fared. Compared to how the box looked, it has fared really well. Doesn't have many creases. These are going to come right out, so that's really good. So let's see. See if I can get it out of its bag here. So they come in these bags, which are good, so you can just roll them up in and put them in a bag when you're working on them, if you don't want them to lie here. So I don't think there's going to be any special drills in it as far as I can see. No, they're all ordinary. So let's just try and roll it back up. Here's the other package over here. So here she is. Let's try and take you out a bit so you can better see it. It looks okay. The eyes looks really funny on her. If you see here, she's going to end up pretty pixelated. So, yeah, not too impressed with it. You didn't miss much in the giveaway then. So let's just take a look at the drills. I think they are pretty plain and ordinary. Beautiful colors those, but that doesn't seem to be any special rhinestones or anything in it. So lots of blue ones, different shades of blues, pretty blues. So they're really pretty. All sorts of drip blues. There's more here. So here and here and here, and as you can see, it's a round one. So for those who like rounds, it's a fun picture to do, I think. More blues. Oh, and a white. So, and as I said, they don't come with inventory sheets, so if you want to do inventory, normally I just use my just count up and see how many colors there are. And they are not in DMC order, so they are a bit random. I think if they are in anything, they are in color ordering. So here you have all sorts of colors. I'm going to check them off camera and write below if I'm missing something. But I've never seen, or I never missed anything from the store, so. And the drills are really good quality. So more blues, and then we have all these browns here. And skin color tones. Like this. Some more here of the skin colors. So, and some red and yellows, and then some black 310s here. There are. And let's see how many colors are there. 3, 6, 10. Oh, it says here there's 34 colors. It's because the DMC number system isn't in order. Then you get confused. But there are 34 colors in it. So a pretty good painting. Not too pleased with her head, but from a distance the dress though looks really good. It looks really flowing, and the lion looks too good too. It's just her head. But let's see how she turns out when you do her. Another thing is that let's see if you can see that. It's really clear. So this one you can drill without light pads on. So they're really clear. And you have the soft canvas on the back. And that does that. It just, when you just take this back, these creases will come out, and if they are still a bit creased, you can always just iron the canvas from the back. But normally just under some heavy books and something, they're going to look okay, and the creases are coming out. So, and as you can see, it already helped a bit. They are like some sort of cloth on the back, some sort of, I don't know how to explain it, velvet thing. Not quite. They're not the same as AliExpress. AliExpress is more velvety. I don't know. But they are okay. And so I hope they are going to turn out really good. Yeah. So let's just get that away and put them into the place again, and then I can do inventory off camera. And again, I'm just going to write below if there's anything missing. So I don't think so. So, and for you who doesn't want to see the cross stitch, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, that would be really nice. I would really like to come to 1,000 subscriptions or something like that. Would be nice, so we could do some more lives and so on. At the moment I can't do any lives, so yeah. But then we have the cross stitch one. I'm just going to sit down for this one. This is not my normal area. This is not what I normally do, but I found this and I really adored it, and I thought that I would try it out. Never worked on such a piece before, so before I started doing all sorts of wild things, I thought, let's try this. So this is the painting or the picture, and of course I had to go large. So this is a 18 count. That was the lowest that I could get, and there's floss included in it. So, and some cloth. So where do I open it? Where do I open it? Let's see. It's in a bag. The bag is in a bag. So let's see here. That's nice that they put them into a bag. So here we have all of the DMC thread. Look at those. Beautiful colors though, aren't they? Oh, that's 2. So here and here. Oh my god. Lots of DMC thread. And as I'm saying that this is totally new for me and I don't know if I'm going to be any good at it. So it's just a trial and let's see how we fare. Then there's 2. I don't know why have they put 2 of those in there? Is that for can I do you know that? Is that for marking up, counting up the fabric or what? Have you ever seen those before? Don't know. And yeah, perhaps they can be washed off. And then there's a needle and 2 small needles in it. That's nice. And then there's some beads in it. Some larger thread. I don't know what to use for that. And then there's this one golden thread. It looks really good. And then there's the fabric here. Oh, it's going to be tiny then. It looks so big. But it's going to be tiny. Oh my god. Look at that. What have I done? So yeah, so it's not going to be a huge piece. That's good though. So let's see. Do you think there's backstitch and all sorts of really, really weird things in here? God, here's the hole. Here is the whole package, and it's like in paper. And then I have here did it say anything? Strand 2, floss number, symbol. Oh, there's half stitches in it here. How the half stitch? The symbols from half stitch. Okay, I need to. And there's some back stitch and straight stitch and beads. Okay. What have I gotten myself into here? I'm just going to take off the first page. You're not going to be able to see all of it then. So these are must be the beads where they replace the beads. And then you have, these are straight, I think, lines. Oh, I'm going to be, God, that's going to be exciting to try and do. And a huge one as well, isn't it? So, how many pages are there in that one? How many pages do there? That's what I've learned from the Heaven and Earth design, is that there's pages and you need to do the pages one at a time. So let's see. Page 15. If anybody knows if I'm supposed to start that here, do you start? I've seen so many who starts in the middle, but when it's a full cover piece, do you start in one of the areas and count up from the middle, or what do you do? How do you start these pieces? Please let me know. Totally new. Oh, I'm going home to my mom. She probably knows, but it doesn't say here. Here's how I do the half stitch, so that's good. Oh, the half stitch is pretty easy to do, isn't it? And away knot method. Ending of thread. Back stitch. Quarter stitches. French knots. Lazy daisy stitch. Okay. Okay. I don't hope that I'm going to have to do that. So I just hope that this is the stitch guide. So, but yeah, pretty excited about this one. It looks really good. The colors look really good, and the thread looks really good. So yeah, that's going to be fun to do. Again, one of those 10 years per project where it doesn't really go away, does it? So you just have time to do that. And I was just thinking that this is an 18 count. I've seen 32 counts that some are doing on YouTube, and they must be tiny, because I think this is tiny. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to stop here because we have a meeting, so we are leaving the house soon. So but thanks for watching. Comment below if you got any questions, especially do you think these are water solvent? I think so. This must be for the back stitch. Good. But what this is, oh, there's going to be so much to sew in here. Comment below if you got any questions. Link below for the canvases and for this cross stitch as well, for whom might be interested. So talk to you soon and see you in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and happy diamond painting. Bye for now.